Security is a common concern when sharing container space. However, with SDC International Shipping, your items are carefully packed and secured to prevent movement and damage during transit. Containers used in LCL and groupage shipping are constructed from durable steel, designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and rough handling. Additionally, each container has secure locking mechanisms, ensuring that your belongings remain safe throughout their journey. SDC International Shipping offers tailored solutions to meet the unique needs of residents from those areas, ensuring a smooth and cost-effective relocation process. By leveraging their expertise in less than container loads and groupage shipping, you can benefit from significant cost savings, flexibility, and secure transport of your belongings. Whether you're moving from Los Angeles or San Francisco, SDC's expertise and dedication make them the ideal partner for your international move.